Hello guys, today I want to show you a special project, and it is that I am a supporter of Dina Clay, so I received a card from her, and then I wanted to reply to correspond by sending back this tag that I made with one transparency of Dina Clay and some embroidery. And then I also wanted to do like a tag, so I was thinking to use one of the projects that we did in the previous video, where I was using a Lego piece to do some mark making. And so I am using as a base one tag of Ranger ink, and I will be building on top of it the collage. So in the previous video, but in the Spanish version, because you know I put English and Spanish videos in my channel, I got one comment saying why you are using this Lego piece to do the mark making. And I think it's a really nice question, and I will try to explain why I do it. So I like to use either commercial products and some pieces that they have meaning to me. So, for example, this was a Lego piece of my son that I introduced in this mixed media project, and for me it has my personal mark on it, and I like that a lot. So in this series I was showing you some different elements that I found in my environment around me to make this special mark. And this is something that it's very common in mixed media. Either you use stencils or stamps that are commercial, or you use your own material to give this personal touch. So thank you for the comment. And now I was doing the focal points with cardboard, so you know that I like a lot to recycle. And here I have one big, which is going to be the focal point, and then these smaller ones I am just taking out the first and the last layer of the cardboard, because I absolutely love this paper. It's like a little ranch. You can do it with craft paper, of course, yes, but I like the quality of this paper. And now I am using a regular black sheet, and I am using one set-after stamp to make some texture on it, and using a punch to get some circles. And then I realized that I wanted some texture also on the hearts. You can do that before cutting the hearts, or do it now. And now my base is dry. I put some weight on top of it, like some books. And now I will be using also this tissue paper of Dina Clay. And I will show you now how I usually cut the tissue paper. So I am using some water, and that allows you to really have like a branch cut, not perfect. And also I am going outside the limits of the tag. I don't want to be so perfect. And then building the collage. So I absolutely love to receive pieces from Dina Clay. It's so amazing. I just think she's a great teacher and excellent human being, which I absolutely love to follow her and learn from her. Now I am using this paper. I think I found it in Sostren and Green, and it's giving like this nice touch. It seems like raffia, but it's paper indeed. So I really like it. and then my sentiment, which is thank you, of course. And then I will repeat in some of these circles around the composition of the tag, and we have our tag already done. So I hope you like it. And in here I just discovered that I have some splashes, because I did some splashes with black paint. I didn't tell, but here I had some of those, and so I am covering with the black paper. And here we go. So thank you for being there. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments, and see you next time, guys. Bye.